my loves. Welcome to my channel, Muskan Unveiled, serving you with real, honest, and truthful reviews. Today we'll be reviewing Simple Skincare range. Starting off with Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. It claims to be 100% soap-free for all skin types. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. And it claims to be for all skin types. But I think that's debatable because I have combination skin. So my skin acts upon the weather. I mean, if it's summers, my skin is very oily, and if it's winters, my skin is very dry. And on dry skin, this doesn't work properly. इसका मॉइस्चराइजिंग वाला जो है वो विंटर्स के लिए, वो ड्राई स्किन के लिए ज्यादा बेटर ऑप्शन है कंपेयर टू दिस. Now, if we talk about ingredients, it has panthenol, that is pro-vitamin B5. It helps to soothe your skin, make your skin soft. It has vitamin E, that is a protective layer for your skin, and it has glycerin that locks the moisture in. But I think it doesn't lock the moisture in winters. So, talking about pros and cons, it is very great for sensitive skin and for oily skin because it does not easily irritate your skin. It is very budget friendly and affordable. You can get it anywhere, in the market or from the websites. It's easily available. And talking about cons, this does not remove heavy makeup, or it's not that much good for dry skin. The texture of this face wash is smooth, lightweight, gel, not too thick, not too runny. It glides effortlessly on the skin and lathers gently without feeling heavy or sticky. Perfect for everyday use if you love that fresh, clean feeling all day long. Now, moving on to Simple Hydrating Moisturizer. Now, I've been using this moisturizer for long and my skin loves it. I mean, it's very lightweight, it's quickly absorbable, and it does not make my skin greasy. It has panthenol, pro-vitamin B5, it has vitamin E, it has glycerin, it has niacinamide, it has so many other ingredients that actually helps your skin barrier to improve. Now, this product claims to be no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. And talking about the ingredients, I said before, it has plant-based glycerin known to provide hydration. It has pro-vitamin B5 plus pro-amino acids known to replenish and strengthen skin barrier. Vitamin E known to promote softer, smoother, healthier looking skin. Niacinamide known to improve skin texture and even complexions. Now, this product claims so much things, and I'll say it's worth it. This product worth every penny you have spent on it. I mean, yeah, I won't say that it's good for way too dry skin. I mean, obviously, dry skin needs heavy moisturizer, and this is not a heavy one. This is very light moisturizer and good for summers. So, if you want कि आपकी स्किन ना ही ग्रीजी हो और आपकी स्किन को कोई लाइट वेट मॉइस्चराइजर चाहिए, मैं कहती हूँ उसको ले लो, बिना सोचे ले लो. आई मीन इतना अच्छा है ना ये, मेरी स्किन एडिक्टेड है इस एक प्रोडक्ट के, आई स्वेयर. Now, moving on to last but not least, Simple Soothing Facial Toner. Now, this product claims to gently clear pores and moisturize, and I will say it does what it claims. It is so good, like so good if you want lightweight toner. I mean, पता भी नहीं लगता कि हाँ toner लगाया क्यों. Sometimes even toners feel sticky to me. I mean, some toners I have tried, they're too sticky for my skin. But this one is like yum. My skin loves it. Really, really, really loves it. Now, talking about its ingredients, it has pro-vitamin B5, witch hazel, and niacinamide, and some other ingredients that we don't need to discuss. But considering इसमें जितने भी ingredients हैं, it actually does what it says. It gently clears my pores. It gently works like a magic on my skin without stripping off my moisture or, ruining my skin barrier. If you don't want heavy toners, you should go for this one. It is very good, very lightweight, and very, very nice for daily use. I mean, I'll say simple skincare range is very good for somebody who's just starting on the skincare. I mean, जो अभी skincare में आया है कि हाँ मुझे skin का ध्यान रखना है everything, but या बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट्स भी मैं नहीं ले सकता हूँ, तो आपको सिंपल स्किन केयर रेंज जरूर ट्राई करनी चाहिए. बिल्कुल बिगिनर फ्रेंडली है. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ आपकी स्किन बैरियर खराब हो जाएगा या एक्नेस और एनीथिंग. दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन, very good for oily skin. It works like magic on, skins, actually. The texture of this toner is super lightweight and watery. No tackiness, no burn. Just a chill drink of calm for your face. It sinks in fast and doesn't just sit on top of your skin. My skin loves this face wash, this toner, and this moisturizer. And if your skin loves this too, please comment down below and subscribe for more reviews.